So today I wanted to show you how I use LUTs in Movie Studio Platinum. I had to download a specific plugin to get them to work. I found a free plugin because I didn't want to pay for it. This is video with the plugin enabled. I also got LUT files downloaded from a YouTube video that I watched. These cube files right here, this is what the LUT files look like. In the description, the guy had a link to download the files that he used for the LUTs. So you're going to need a specific file type for this. The best thing to do is to look up free LUT VST plugin. Okay, so to find the plugin, you're going to want to go on Google. Search free LUT VST plugin. Scroll down till you find 3D LUT Creator. So either select download for Windows or Mac, and you should be good to go. Okay, so you go to options and preferences, and then this window will open, and you just browse for the 3D LUT Creator plugin, and then select the Windows 64 folder.